Hey guys, welcome back to Dev Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you another loan application in Uganda that you can use in Uganda, Ghana, and South Africa. So if you're from one of those countries, watch this video as I take you through a step by step on how you can create an account, how you can complete everything, and even see your balance, the money that you can get from this loan app. Without further ado, let's get started. But of course, remember to subscribe, liking, and share. Watch the full video. Don't skip anything that you see in this video. Let's get started.
Go to Google Play Store and download this app. It is called Fido. So now, if you download the app, of course, install it to your phone. Then now you come and click on it, and as you can see, and now here from the interface here, it says that join millions of Africans who are borrowing money fast. No collateral, no hidden fees. Register now, or I already have an account. So if you don't have an account, you're going to click on register now. Here, register now. Then if you have an account, you're just going to click on I already have an account. Now when you click on I already have an account, so if you're in Uganda, you're just going to leave it here. But of course, if you're in a different country, it can open for you directly, like South Africa, or you are in Ghana. Now you enter your phone number here. So you enter the phone number here. Then now after, it is going to give you this one highlighted. So you continue with the process. So now if you don't have an account, you're going to come and click on register. Now as of me, I don't have an account. So from here, I'm going to tap here. Then I enter my phone number. So after you entering like this, you're going to come and click on continue. But of course, before you click on continue, if this agree button is not ticked like mine has been ticked, if it is like this, then it means you have not agreed to the terms and conditions. So you'll need to click on it. Then now you click on this proceed button. Now here it is going to give you a confirmation code to the phone number you have provided. So let me put it. So after you entering your the OTP code here, it gives you now this. Now here they are saying that create your pin. So I'm going to create my pin here, and I don't want it to people to see. Yes. Now after you putting the 4 digits here, this is the pin you're going to use for making transactions. Now here you're going to click on pin. Now here it says that you re-enter that pin to confirm. So let me re-enter mine. After it is going to load, like it is loading mine, and here it says that phone registered. As you can see it here it has introduction. Now down here it talks about approved and licensed by. So we are going to click on the continue button. Now when you click on continue button here, it says that it is asking you for the location. So these are the things you have to allow in the app so that it gives you the loan. So all this you're going to tap on allow. Then I'll click here. Then of course I want to allow everything. Now here it says that borrow money faster up to 2 million after you complete your account setup. So we have just created an account, but we have not yet set our account. So it is going to ask us to provide national ID, guarantors, all that. So we are going to do everything live here. So now we are going to check on down here first before we continue. So down here it has the home page. That is where we are. Then we have the credit. The credit here also tells you to apply for a loan. So here we come to the menu. The menu here is to set our account. So we are going to do that. Then we come to profile. This is my account. But of course, to verify, we have not yet verified. And as I say that all this will be needed. So when we come back home, so and then we click on start. Starting just means we want still to verify our account. Now here we are going to, it says that we need to enter the front part of the ID. So we are going to tap here, then we choose from our phone. So I have uploaded, then I click on continue. Then if you see like it is not okay, you can click on try again. But of course mine is okay. So I'm going to click on this, and it says that analyzing. So let it analyze, then we continue. Yes, that one has gone. So now we are going to enter the back of our ID also. Then we click on continue. If it is okay, just continue. right? This one is also approved. Then now here it has already picked everything from the national ID, so we are just going to click on continue. Now here it is saying that take a selfie, so we are going to take a selfie of myself, and it says that don't move face, don't cover. So you don't have to move your face, you don't have to cover, as everything is shown here. So we are going to click on open camera, then we click on allow. Yeah, this one looks somehow. We are going to click on submit. Right, it has already picked everything again from the national ID, so you just need to continue by clicking here. Then here also it had to pick, so we can first put in a code, then we click on submit. Right, okay, here it says that is approved, as you can see. Boom, now here it is how they protect your data. Then here that data we may access, this is what they may access: the contacts, SMSs, as I told you, then the location, calendar. Okay, you can click on allow if you want them to allow do that, but of course the card that I am using here is different. So now here it comes to the relationship or the marital status. You can say single, married, or what. So then here, are you currently enrolled in school? You can say yes or no. So I'm going to click on no. Then how many people do you care about? So you can put big numbers so that they give you good amount of money. So this one they're asking here, then how long have you lived at your current? Then we select educational. We can put here, click on next. Then here they're asking how much you earn per day. So you can put any amount, but of course me, I want to put here, what is your employment status? Full time. So you can put any. Then how often do you get paid? We can so select industry. So we click on continue. What is your job role? Let's put this. We click on next. Then here, how long have you worked at your current? Can put this, all what I'm putting here just to show you what to do. We skip this one. Then did you borrow money in the last? Not. Then here they are saying select, please provide the phone number of a close friend. So here we can tap, we can enter manually. When we enter, then we enter name, click on next. Then what is your relationship with the person? You can say sibling. Here again, select from contacts. Let's just click here and we add another one. Then we click on next. Then here, what is the relationship? Then we put, you select from here. We select this. Scroll down. How did you hear about? We can say any, but of course for you you've heard from here. Then here we are going to skip. We don't want them to keep sending us messages on our email. Let's continue. So as you can see, setting up account, you do not close this page. So you don't need to close. Smart tips, pay back on time, you get more loans. Let's wait to see how much they are going to give us. But of course, they give you according to what the information you've provided, number one, then the duration you've taken in this app. But of course, for the first account, they always give small money. So let's wait as it is setting our account. Boom. Now, as you can see, your first offer is 45,000. So here is what they have already given me. Then here it says smart paying tips, pay on time to get more loans. So now if I want to get, I will just click on get. Now when you click on get, you have to click on agree, you go to next. Now if you come back home, you can see that what you are eligible to get is what you're seeing here. Then to credit, you still come here. If you want to borrow, you tap on borrow. Then now here you click on next. But I don't want to get this loan. So, okay, let me first click on next and we see. Oh my God. Yeah. Then from here, if you click on next, here it says the minimum you can get now is 6 and the maximum is 45. So if you want all the 45, you're going to click on next. But I may click on next, then I get this loan. But of course, for you who wants, you can follow that step. Then for the menu is here, credit, help. But of course, if you click here on the credit, you come still to the credit. This is the menu. Then my documents, you get them from here. Then approve FIDO, then help, then USSD code. In case you want to use USSD code, which is star something there, hash, then you come here. Then to rate them here, you come to your profile. Your profile, you're going to see everything that you have added here, and your FIDO ID is here. So guys, that is how it is. Then for account settings, in case you want to do more settings, you can see it is here. If you want to unsubscribe or to leave this, you can tap here. This is marketing, so you can click on it. Then here is not active, so I will not be getting their marketing tips. Then the FIDO score is here. To see your score, mine is not all that bad. So let's go to see the score. So this is my score. Your FIDO score is this one, 350, that which is fair. So if you keep getting loan and you pay it back, it is going to come to green. Now when it reaches here, which means you are eligible to get millions of loans from here. So this loan, you can use it to get to start your business, pay your school fees, or do other things. Then to pay payment methods, you come and tap here. You can use this one, or you can add another card SIM line here so that you can use it for paying. Now to log out, and everything is there, guys. That is all what I wanted to share with you in this video.
Right, I think that is all what I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you've understood everything, how it works, how you can create an account, and how you can complete everything. Now let's meet in the next coming video.